Hey everyone, welcome to another update. Today is September the 12th, 2024, and I'm giving you another update. Yesterday was the kickoff to Wellness Wednesdays, and they was recorded. If you missed it, I will be creating another playlist for Wellness Wednesdays as soon as I get that information, and I'll be putting it on my channel so that you can watch the recordings if you missed it. Also, in yesterday's update from 9/11, you will get the information on how to join Wellness Wednesdays. If you are interested in the two products that are available in pre-launch right now, the cell signaling formula and the microbiome formula, you can get those by going to my site, just directly to getmyhealthnow.com. It'll take you over to the BioLimitless site where you can buy it with my reference link. That is the only purpose of that. That's why I'm not just telling you to go directly to them, because I would like to get credit for being the one to tell you about it, right? Okay, now, if you're new here, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, if you just randomly found this video, you need to go to my username and go to my playlists and go to the BioLimitless English playlist so that you understand what I'm talking about. All right. There's information there from doctors, not just myself. I am not a healthcare professional. I am not a financial advisor, none of those things. You need to hear from the professionals themselves so that you understand what's going on. Knowledge is power, but not unless we use it, right? Just having the knowledge doesn't give you the power. The application of the knowledge is what gives you the power. Okay. Now, there's another update that came out yesterday in Wellness Wednesday, and that is the update on the 45 Easy Challenge. If you were in Vegas, if you were wondering about how that works, Dr. Naputi did drop how we get that started, and he said we will be doing it as a group soon. And how you get there is you go to 45easy.com. There's a free workbook you can download and just get the information before it's ready to launch. Okay. Oh, and the other product you can get is the DNA kit, of course. Forgot about that. That's also on the site as well. Those three things are the three things that you can currently buy. Now, again, as I mentioned yesterday, the site is currently, you can only buy those products with a cryptocurrency called USDT, which is a one-to-one from the US dollar. If you don't know how to do that, again, there's another video in the playlist that will walk you through the process. It's a little bit of a learning curve, but take a breath. You can do it. It's not too bad. If you run into an issue, you can call me. My number is on that video as well. Text first, as I get pretty busy. But anyways, another update towards the end of this month. They will make it so that new individuals will be able to just swipe their card, and it will do all the fancy stuff in the background for them, do the transfer of the money from US dollars to USDT and make the purchase all seamless. They're working on that. Now, if you think about it, whoever makes crypto easy is going to make money, right? There's so many things that have never been done before with this. That's just one of them, right? And if you've listened to the rest of the playlist, you'll see how many other things, having clinics all around the world where you can get the same care no matter where you go, having somewhere where you can have a holistic doctor and a standard medicine doctor, if you will, in the same building where you can get all those types of care to help your health when you're already healthy, right? To get even more healthy and stay healthy in the same building. Just wow, right? All kinds of stuff that's going to be coming down in the next few years, and you have the opportunity to get ahead of it. So again, if you're new here, if you're like, what the heck is this guy talking about? You need to go over to my YouTube channel, add K, or click my username below this video and go to the playlists and go to BioLimitless English playlist. That will get you caught up on the information there. I know. Oh my goodness, there's a bunch of stuff that you're gonna have to watch and listen to and pay attention to, but you will be better for it, right? So go check that out. Trust me, you'll be on the edge of your seat. I was there live in person to pretty much every event in the US so far. And I can tell you this is what I'm excited about. This is what I'm doing. This is what my family's doing. It's going to take care of our health, our wealth, and put us into the future in a spot where we want to be. So I want that for you too. I like helping people. I like seeing people being healthy, happy, and wealthy, which is why we're doing this, right? And it just feels right. If you start reading the information, if you start getting into it, it just feels right. There's so much good that's going to be coming out of this. It's just amazing. All right. Well, with that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.